In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos to an existing album on your Facebook page. Whether you're looking to share updates, memories, or moments of joy, adding photos or videos to your Facebook album will surely help you connect with your audience more effectively. Let's get started on this straightforward yet essential part of managing your Facebook presence. First, you'll need to go to your Facebook page. This is your base of operations where you can manage all your content. Once you're on your Facebook page, you'll notice a menu at the top. Among the options there, you'll find the Photos tab. Go ahead and click on that. This area of your page is like a library of images and videos that you've shared over time, making it a great place to visually engage with your followers. Now that you are in the Photos section, direct your attention to the Albums subtab. This segment allows you to organize your media into categorized albums. Browse through these albums to locate the one you wish to add more photos to. Once you find the right album, click to open it. With the album open, the next step is to select Add Photos Videos. When you click on this option, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose the files you wish to upload from your computer or device. This part is fairly simple. Just navigate your folders, find the images or videos you plan to share, and select them. Once you've made your selection, you'll see the options to Next or Done appear. Click on either of these to move forward. If you're selecting multiple images or videos, take a moment to ensure that all files have been added before proceeding. Once the upload process is complete, it's time to finalize everything. Click on Post to save your changes and officially add the new media to your album. This final step updates your album and shares the additions with your followers, making them part of your ongoing story on Facebook. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added new photos or videos to a Facebook album. Remember, organizing your media in albums not only personalizes your page, but also makes it easier for your followers to engage with your content. Plus, it's an excellent way to keep your digital space tidy and inviting. I hope you found this guide straightforward and easy to follow. Adding photos to your Facebook album is a quick and effective way to keep your page dynamic and engaging. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips on making the most out of your social media experience.